Bia kamal gwaseme ka Nuer online TV channel and wala bana racha ka tadan en chuch gat kon ke je re duaran shwal ke Libya gwatan chikarodian yor yetin ko de kanu ka Europe right now take report ngwana no te Georgia no gan werliu kan re wichin ginemi na ka ke netin kontila jalamni ka Libya ngai kon win mate re wich ka Africa ana mo ere kel midite longore jeno bia tin diala tok tong mi bia kaling no ka bana rach ketin kontin led rodian ngay kona no tetu ngwalong to bed ti to ka gan were re wichin winami list kana buatan kona root kan ka ko shang do randa kot ke je ke bud ba gore yo te dial te bed ching te bed long jen gwade dane titen ko dong bitek bi joger but mi cho tong mi bilo jing ni jen wo tek beje ka tel gwamrit karudien ke je na me reg me bed report bana linga te chom teten katin content chu na ka bona teten gor jeno ba yere mai katin content lat karodian chana jeling kel gorno jin bodo linga ka ba kwen ka tok english ko bi manan tok ten bi ko ngai ka kor bam tot ba jawlat ka tok na. My brothers and sisters, today we must talk about something painful, something that has become a silent tragedy among our people. Many of our Nuer youths are leaving their homeland and going to Libya. They go with dream of a better life, but many never make it. They are being targeted, tortured, and killed on their journey. And we must ask why. Why would a young man or a woman leave their country, their family, and risk dying in a foreign land? Who is to blame when they die? Themselves, the government, or the broken system that forced them to go? Let us start with the truth. Our youth are not living because they hate their country. They are living because they are tired of hunger, tired of hopelessness, tired of waiting for opportunities that never come. They see others living better life abroad and think maybe I can also make it if I tried. But they don't see the full story. The dangers, the desert, the detention camp, the beating, the slavery in Libya. They believe in a promise that does not exist. And part of the reason is that our own leaders have failed to create hope at home. When there are no job, no education, and no peace, what choice does a young man have? He will sell his cow, borrow money, or steal cow from his father and take the deadly road because he believed dying in Libya is better than starving at home. That is how deep the pain has gone. Those who have taken the road to Libya know what I am talking about. They cross desert where people died of this. They fall into the hand of smugglers who see them as business, not as human beings. They are locked in Rome, beaten, sold, and used. Some die in the sea, some die in the sun, and some disappear forever. And even those who reach Libya are not safe. They are treated like animals, chased by police and sometimes shot on the street. The dream becomes a nightmare, but it is too late to turn back. So who should we blame for this? Some say it is youth. Some say that they are impatient, that they want quick success. Yes, that may be true for some, but look deeper. A nation that falls, its youth should not point fingers. When leaders steal national wealth, when there are no schools, when tribal politics destroy peace, how can the youth stay? It is easy to say they should not go, but it is hard to live without food, education, or future. The real blame is shared, but the system that failed them, by leaders who forget them, and by community that stay silent. And we too share a part for not guiding our young brothers and sisters with truth before they leave. The lesson we must learn from this. We must face reality. Migration is not the solution. Europe is not paradise. Libya is not safety. Every life lost, there is a wound on our nation soul. We must teach our youth that the answer is not running away, but standing together to rebuild what is broken. If we create unity, if we fight corruption, if we bring peace and opportunity, our youth will stay. They will build their dream here, not in desert and prison. We must tell the truth in our home, in our church, in our school. The road to Libya is not the road to life. It is the road to death. To every young Nuer brothers and sisters listening right now, I know you are tired. I know you feel forgotten. But your life is precious. You are not born to die in another man's land. You are born to rise in your own. Don't believe the lies of a smuggler. Don't believe that Europe will save you. The same courage you used to cross the desert, use it to build your life at home. Use it to farm, to learn, to create, to speak truth. Because your people need you, your country needs you, your very own family, your friends need you. Brothers and sisters, every Nuer youth lost in Libya is a national tragedy. Let us speak out. Let us protect our youth from this deadly journey. Let us fix the home they are running away from. Because the real solution is not in Libya or Europe. It is here in our heart and our unity. Ne kon diala kon in shuch ki juten paino. Man bialing wadame ano take ler me chala do shi kon te ga ti shi yi ken chi jen ka Libya ka kon inten payo. Ka te ne wan bo de sha to chot ke chanak ne de sha paret ne tin kon la jalamni. Doran chwal ke Libya. To kon ga tu wan ti wa ti chuch ke desert. You know, ala desert dana jel na ka je. Ko sometime ran be jen don weren wo jana ko betik da bejo ger beting mo ga bejo no. But nana mandana wuto ka ke. Mi jini jeli desert ko telepiu no biliu don buro kulu gor yo to bijal ka ke terbil. Jala jeli je ko gwa der ko we. But shobdu ke Libya bele tegane to motu wa gor no ba jinak. Jen shanena jin mi jen re which ko dong chi chu ko gor jenu teg biogar. Sometimes dong jira mo kwale yang ke dong weda mo kwal ni yang dorian ke kwal ni yura da dien ke enemy che user men of going to Libya with no yoti cha kana che ngulel ko gije no betik de bajo gare wichin winami ngoda tong mi wichu ni jen we jeng ni riek do dien mi che chop ka Libya nature content jen re which nuer ke ka South Sudan ga nuer dial content will yurar ti will dor ken sikan jen ko nyir kan South Sudan ki witen koken jen kan ko kan sike chuchi kare je no tele ka lotre wo je tel milat ka kaka gwami mo kwar diere kan ka gat ken kan mandana wo ka pokene ken kan mandana cham ken kan kan mane ko ri ngwan ngwan ta me kan re kontirom kamach kan re kontin wore kore de rander kula tegde de rander woni amdi sori de ala ti ka na kan wore kan na ka ngwan tan na ka use. Of course, ne one bel ke ngwen no yen ngujien in ke jere dor kunona te bel tikten ko ngwen mi jen la tong benya dorin pin we guardian e dong bitik de bo gwaten ke bitik de belo jengne lo belo liuni jen tong mi chere men gad no ren wan ngwen ken wan chika rod long lo chika chew ka joini spread ken chow ken painiken ke bot ko tong mi ke Libya tel kon mi cham goten me de la ro no ngwen cham kon te ka tung wan te be te root ken ke re we ke Libya chicken takamal mitra lo we year jino blo liure year anmi dong chukot tejirom re year dana witen kon year yente ke mang medit mala wenen yal mele ni ka ber be yechu mol pin yenne dial content wana mo ke bot kinene wan chi liure year long ne tungwan silawe yo mi silawe liu year anyok within Libya te ne chare leka jalam la kap kane dial content la jor win to goal te tin ma South Sudanese special report ko linga tama ata dan china chi liu kaje na la kan ka kap kan wan ken bukan yen bukan nga dazet bukan ko nak tandien yekan kare yere tandien liu ka liam bej mi sila kan ka dazet chubre which lo te kare which bi rek bi lo jek tam gan wer ngwan jitan en chigi jian chi wono ko Morocco no utan den wo kan ka Tunisia ne ko gor ko dong chibliu dara mone ko dong bro je gwad mo ka ja ko bitek du bi ori alaka charo dan ti no ngumi jen ka gat ka jere wi ka South Sudan menyam kwar shi ka fail ko de kan gan were ke gad jor de kan korom de jen mara la jene je ko jin mi leader ke kwarche dier ke ji ngum de dien bi mek o de jene o re wech de rolo gor ka ko linga jan o te ke mu ga Europe shi rol nyal Libya mo mona ka jamon elia ne de man ngai man la da gwada men jin jiran bi jen wi ke desert ko boliu karew ko desert liu karew tene men na rew mi ci kana cabinet kontila na kula na la churen te dermo ko te ke churi ari ala rodi ne ka tila jalamne te mo nan kana ka yo ko mi ci kana je ka tere je yo ba jina ka ken ala ti mo ka yo ajala business de non ko nga ci kana ngaji no mi road mo ka Europe mi ci kan ye ka ci ku dong bi tek bi yo gare wicin bi mi tebra na la na la ka kap ka dong ci jere wi ko nyer ka ji ke jino tel mu gam je ka kwermo wudre wicin bi mi ba je gagre duel ke ba je ko ke ba je la rejek dong bi liu en gwada mo ko tana liu ko yi tan na liu kan ka janda zendet content natin kwad mi telepio Libya saf Libya changana tin chet kale pongen kan wanen kontin la wanen ko le jien re winter goal special wanen kon net kon shal nuere changa ke chet kale chankan wi chare ka pedial mitele way mi ci jien jin wire yer keja kenyam jiran mi jene ano ke beldana tupke de la kona teje so what we can say here jene jin ni jen wo jiran mabu survive re wajin winami ngedrodo I think there is a vibe bore do aran konwer there is a vibe there is a vibe out there ka mun wida dien dorne ko ken dio je you can make it here doran kono shal nuere ci dew liu loro bang ka murada dien gwan mo ben mun ben ye pinten a sengne me shuju mo gwada dana jeneten take a lot of story behind your living your own country and obor dor dien ke bi goro wi ka Europe ano de mo gwade lat racing don de kwande realeka ano dul gorga mi che telbo alo don ci dul gorga she long de te ko kende kalat beje long ki jallo da long ko dong bran bidamor ki nyimor ki biunen guardian mi mo boye de belo jenten wina mi chere men chene de wan ci yeken ci ga jen no tanat na ka lo barka ne ka tana dong liu ke bot you know to diala to be kelon ko ndaze de jalka sometime la ken mai la ken ka let pinten mine den mi ran bani yob ken mer chere me ci to ko gode dan kerikti dit to gor lian kan de kon chal ken wer ka do dan de ko nyam ke right now chananin report la de kone atare ko menane ci tok ne de kon belga entama kan de kon la kwar ko kwar ci gan yer kan de kon la ngwene diet gan bo belka ye ko yen ci ak ngwene ki gat kun ci ka guide ka do dan der mu ga de lat ke je especially membe je long o der gat de je ngejen wo kwang ka tap je kan ko tin kan kon yar ka gat ko be ngeda ba jager so mo kan ga ko real ga reality telam broda real ka telam bu go so gor jeno de na de kan charten ka duptin kon ndong de na de ko nyam ka ja na gor ke jeno de na de kan taka mat special ne kon la nuere na mo gor yen no biya taka mat la real yero dunuka la sheria no okay what is the way out ko kon ko jen do badan la gor ke ne ideal angum bu kon lel angum mi bana lat ko wo bi kon doran bana jeger kende timi chaka gwich chaka realika you know la gwaye long la ti ka to go to balat to ba doro mo ba je ger keke but mi china tiken dier ka ne ken ka gad ken what do you think will happen but gad bi ke jen jani minen riune kon tlan wer ka kro fije kam der ko te di chilo na cheput so la rana jen no gwe jen wo mi chale jen che wido dien and then la de bala bele we are better no mabode kon la re de tik der oga but remember kan du bial to cha jalba jal ke lia jeno mi chiwa e wo beliu ki bi tek tet kot men di de long ngai ko na re ga mi chi kon de jen so yene dial kon den lenga jo me ga nuere di nuere ngeja gat Libya jen shi wonyu mo gwa wonyu liu naten eno go gat kon wo kan ka gaita gwa chang bran bo won wo betik de bejo ger of course tik de ger ba tik du cho ger ka do mi mo break bi ojekten na mo she worthy chagwa gaoran be jien ka ngejen go and share choice to larana larano share choice but didn't make atom didn't man go agur did la trade do aru godme of course tana jinen ko bikene ken bukan ko ledeka ke bu shi man ken bukan ko ledeka but god mo jin ko bulu de la mo go no shi mo go so go jeno de na de kan char de ngwane de ka chum ko duptin content de go nyam ka ja so report me jan go dan go re de ma ka yakel